Hey there, jelly beans. Me, John, coming back at you for another review. Oh my, if you know what I mean, jelly beans. Yeah. Alright. For this video, I will be trying out juicy, exploding cubes. Trollies, however you say it. Sour, bright blast, ooey gooey in your tongue instead of popping. Snackalicious, this is whatever. Strawberry, mango, apple, watermelon, cherry, lime, blue raspberry, lemon. Oh my. This thing sounds so sexual. Alright, here we go. I'm going to rip this puppy open. Oh, the fun facts. You got it? Alright, here we go. Ooh, smells gooey. Bag is big, but hardly anything in there. Smell it. Open up your mouth and take a bite. Oh, silly jelly beans, you can't do that. You're in a camera. Alright. I went for that one. See it? I'm guessing that is apple watermelon. Smells good. Yeah, it smells like apple watermelon. I like that. Alright, just gooey stuff on the inside. I'm gonna. Alright, see? Where was the apple? It was a watermelon. Well, that's good stuff. I like that. I'm going to assume this is the blue raspberry. There we go. Yep, blue. Not really that sour. But they're good jelly beans. I like that. Very good. Sour wise, 1, but they're really good. I like it a lot. I give that a 5 out of 5 jelly beans. Thank you all for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, share, follow on Facebook. Link is down below. Guess what, everybody? I also like to give a couple shout outs. 1 to Crazy Cries. I love his gaming videos. He's an awesome dude, good friend of mine. Average Will, he's also a gamer. He does great videos, and also another friend of mine. Mark Craig, he does kind of dark humor stuff with some kitty cat pianos and all that stuff. Very good guy, does good videos, also a friend of mine. And John Haggerty Vlogs, he's an awesome vlogger, another friend of mine. And one more is Hey, I'm Joey. He's a good guy. John's nephew, Haggerty's nephew. He does good videos when he puts them out. Last night he's going to do a blizzard. We're going to have a blizzard this year because he actually uploaded 2 in one night. Oh my, if you know what I mean, jelly beans. Alright. Everybody's links are down below. Like I said, thank you all for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, share, follow on Facebook, link is down below. Have a good day. Peace.